welcome to our drawing tutorial Artistic Adventures by Robbie. Today I will show you how to draw this cool van with palm trees in the background. Grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Begin by drawing the outline of the van. Start with the rectangle for the main body. Add a slanted front for the windshield and a smaller rectangle on the top of the wheel. Draw two circles for the wheels at the bottom of the van, then sketch the windows by drawing rectangles within the main body, leaving space for the front and rear windows. Add details like doors, handles and side mirrors. Use smaller rectangles and lines to create these features. For the wheel details, draw smaller circles with the wheels and some lines for the tire treads. Behind the van, sketch two palm trees. Start with the trunks by drawing slightly curved lines. At the top of each trunk, draw the leaves by making long curved strokes that fan out. Draw a large circle encompassing the van and the palm trees. This will give the drawing a nice framed look. Use your pen to add texture to the van and palm trees. For the van, add some shading and stippling to give it a vintage look. For the palm trees and lines to the trunks and more detailed leaves. Go over your drawing to darken the lines where needed and refine any detail. Erase any unnecessary guidelines to clean up your drawing. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn van with palm trees in a circular frame. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.